Hair transplantation in women. Dr. Ennis here at Ennis Plastic Surgery in Boca Raton, Florida. So hair loss is not exclusive to men. Women can have hair loss as well, but it's a little bit different. It's a little more complicated. So if women have male pattern balding, where essentially the hair is getting thin to the central portion, it responds very well to hair transplantation. Unfortunately, if the hair is thin all over, that's typically more of a hormone issue, and that's a whole different discussion because it's going to be very complicated about what causes thinning of hair in women. But specifically, if women have male pattern balding where it's thin only on the top, a hair transplantation is a great option for women. We also have women with the hairlines, maybe it's receded just a little bit. Maybe they don't have thinning, but they have high widow's peaks and they want a little thicker frontal hairline. That's a great option for women as well. So just like men, we use the neograft machine to take out individual hairs and put individual hairs back in to recreate that nice, thick frontal hairline, or maybe it's to fill in the widow peaks or bring the hairline down some. Maybe it's an old scar that we're trying to cover up. But anyway, lots of options for hair transplantation in women. Now, where do we get the hair from? Just like in men, we get hair from the back. Now then women always ask, well, do I have to shave my head? No, but we do have to cut in a small area short. So if somebody's got longer hair, what we typically do is we lift the hair up, take a small section where we trim the hair shorter, borrow a hair there, and so you comb the hair back down over it, pull your hair back up in a ponytail, and you're not going to see that area that we harvested the hair from as a donor site. But it very nicely fills in the frontal hairline. Now, actually enough, we can actually use hair transplant for eyebrows as well. There is a little bit of a difference because the hair on our head obviously is slightly different texture and it continues to grow, unlike an eyebrow which grows to a certain length and then stops growing. So if we use hair to transplant to the eyebrows, there's a little bit of maintenance with it because obviously you have to keep the hair trimmed, but it does give you a nice full eyebrow back. So hair transplant is a great option in the right women if they have male pattern balding or if they're looking to fill in the frontal line, fill in the widow's peaks, or maybe thicken up their eyebrows. Think about hair transplant because it can be a great option.